Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll explore how to animate still photos using Premiere Pro together with Photoshop. You'll learn to create motion effects similar to those often seen in historical documentaries, for example with images from World War II, turning them into dynamic visuals. The method is simple and doesn't require complicated tools. I often start by letting Photoshop automatically detect objects and people, then refine the selection by manually adjusting the missed parts. For cleaner results, I also rely on the Select and Mask feature, which helps with soft edges like feathers or hair. In Photoshop 2024, the new Remove tool makes it easier to erase unwanted elements. In my case, I painted in some extra clouds to cover small mistakes so they don't become noticeable. Exporting correctly is key. Save the background as a JPG file and the separated elements, like soldiers, as PNG files with transparency. First, we create a new project in Premiere Pro. Then, we import the images into the project and place them one after another on the timeline. For the background, we apply a slight zoom-out effect without using any keyframes. Next, we click on the stopwatch icon to enable keyframes. Finally, we move the playhead, which is the line on the timeline, to the very beginning of the clip. After that, we move the playhead to the end and click on the button with the small arrow, which is the reset parameter. This automatically creates another keyframe that brings the background back to its original state, just like it was at the beginning. Now, with the soldiers, we'll create a keyframe. They are not zoomed in at the beginning, but we will zoom them in at the end. This automatically creates an animation along with a keyframe. We have created the basic animations. After that, I set the final keyframes of the soldiers to ease out, and the starting ones to ease in. Why? Because this creates a very smooth sliding animation, similar to how the stone in curling slows down gradually. That's exactly the effect we achieve here. Later, I applied continuous Bezier to the background. Last year, I made a tutorial with the same image, but in CapCut. That video performed really well, and it gave me the idea to create a similar tutorial in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.